Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create your first ACL in ServiceNow. In this video, we will cover what is an ACL, how to navigate to ACL, creating a table ACL, assigning roles, and testing access. Let's get started. First of all, we need to learn what is an ACL. ACL stands for Access Control List. It is used to control who can access what data in ServiceNow. We can control, read, write, create, and delete operations. Now let's look at how to navigate to Access Control List in ServiceNow. To create or modify an ACL in ServiceNow, we need to elevate our role to Security Admin. Only after elevating this role, we can create or edit ACLs. Next, let's create our first ACL. For that, go to Application Navigator and search for Access Control List. Click on the Access Control module. Click on New. Let's create our first ACL. Here is the use case. Only ITIL role members can create the records. After opening the page, it will appear as shown. Fill the details correctly. The first one is type, record. It specifies what you want to secure. Record means you are controlling access to table records. Other options includes UI page, processor, flow action, and etc. And next one is operation. Here I am selecting create operation. It specifies the action you want to control. For example, read for view. For edit, we can select write. For inserting new record, we can select create. For removing a record, we can select delete. Specify the table name. In decision type, we have two choices, allow if and deny unless. It determines how the ACL works. Allow if means access is granted only if the conditions are met. Deny unless means access is denied unless the conditions are met. Now I am selecting allow if. Here description is optional. Next we will see how to assign roles. Scroll to require roles. Require roles means specify which role is required to perform the operation such as ITL, admin or any custom role. Click on save. Now we want to test the ACL. For that, go to impersonate user. Impersonate user who has ITIL role. He can create a record in the table. After impersonating, go to Application Navigator and search for our custom table. He can create a record in the table. Now the ACL is working. Again, impersonate user who doesn't have ITIL role. After impersonating, go to Application Navigator and search for our custom table. He cannot create a record in the table. It's showing like security constraints prevent access to required page. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials. See you in the next video.